Hi boys and girls, it's Miss White here. Today we're going to do worksheet number 12 and it looks like this. So make sure you have that out and that you write your name up here at the top. Alrighty. First I'm going to say some words and I want you to tell me if the words are the same in the beginning, the middle, or the end. Alright. Mad cat fan. What sound do you hear in that middle position? Is it ah? Good job. Alright. The next ones, tell me what you hear in the medial or the middle position. Mop, hot, top. Ah is the sound we hear. Rip, lid, fin. I is the sound we hear. Made, cake, late. A is the sound in the middle position. And then fun, mud, run. Is the sound we hear. Good job. Alright, I want you to get your worksheet out. We're going to go through numbers 1 through 10 together. I'm going to tell you the sound. I want you to tell me the sound. We're going to say the name of the letter, and then I want you to write it down on your paper. Our first one is O. O, O, and then write down O. On number 2, it is ul. Ul, L, write it down. Number 3, I. I, write it down. Number 4, Z, Z, and that's Z or S. You write that down. Z, comma, S. Number 5, A, 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 and then write it down. Number 6, P, 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 write it down. Number 7, A, O, and write it down. Number 8, we're going to move up here. S, 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 write it down. Number 9, I, and write it down. And number 10, A, and write it down. All right, good job. All right, next, I want to talk about when we make a word plural. If I give you a pin, you have one pin. If I give you 2, you have pins. When we add an S to a word, that makes it plural, and it means that we have more than one. All right, when we're going to code a plural, we are going to box the plural. So we're going to box that S, and then we would code it just like we would normally. It's vowel consonant, the vowel gets the brev, it's the short I, P, I, N, S. Pins. Alrighty. Let's look at some other words that we can do this with. Alright. Let's look at snap, snaps, pots, and pills. Again, we're going to box the S. Here we have vowel consonant, so your vowel gets the brev, snaps. Again, vowel consonant gets the brev, ps. And then down here we have our double L. So we know that makes the short sound from the floss rule. Pills. Alrighty. Let's do that with our words on our paper. On number 11, we have tip. Tips. We are going to code that first by boxing off our S. We have vowel consonant, so it gets a brev. Tips. All right, next we have pills. We already did this one. We're going to do it again. Box off our S. Vowel consonant gets the brev. Pills. And number 13. Sorry, this is 11, 12, and 13. If at any time you need to pause the video, feel free to do so. We're going to box off the S, put a brev on the A, and we have p-a-n-s. All right, good job. Next, we're going to talk about when we are reading a book. Has anyone ever seen this at the end of a book? It's the end. The is our sight word today that we are learning. This is a sight word because it doesn't follow our regular rules. We would have TH and E at the end with no consonant, which would make it get the long sound, and it would be the, but that's not what the word is. The word is the. So we just have to learn it as a sight word because it doesn't follow regular rules. All right. We're going to read a book here in just a minute, but first we're going to practice a little bit more coding of words. Whoa. This light drop for paper. All right, scratch that. We're going to practice spelling some words. Number 14. The word we're going to spell is taps. T-aps. T-aps. Good job. On number 15, our word is sat. S-at. S-at. S-A-T. All right, on number 16, our word is nips. N-I-P-S. Nips. N-I-P-S. All right, on number 17, I want you to draw me a picture of the word circles. So when I say circles, what do you think that you would draw? A circle. All right. Go ahead and draw some circles. Did I say circle? I didn't. I said circles. So if you're drawing me circles, there has to be more than one. All right. All right. On our worksheet, for your homework, you are going to code the words on the back on number 1 through 3. Draw a picture that matches which word is on here. On number 4 and 5, you are going to write what those words are below and sound them out. And remember, there's more than one. So when you're writing those words, you may have already learned them, but you're writing the plural. And then down here are our high frequency sight words, and I want you to practice those with someone at home. All right, I will see you on the next video.